So I'll take one last question before we go. You all have been such an amazing audience. So you in the purple. Yes, sir. Go ahead. You know what? I want to thank you so much for asking that question because I'm sure that there are others that have that same exact question, but they're afraid to ask it. So let me leave you with this message. Life in general is full of challenges and obstacles and moments that just really test your strength. They test your patience. I've been here for 50 years, and there have been so many moments that I wanted to just give up. But I want you to remember something. Within you, each and every one of you, there is incredible power to rise above all the things, overcome, and achieve greatness. I know it's difficult. I want you to close your eyes for a moment. I'm going to keep my eyes open. But I want you all to close your eyes for a moment because I don't want you to look around at anyone else that's here today. This is personal. When you close your eyes, I want you to think about the person that you aspire to be. I want you to visualize that deep, burning desire inside of you. It's that one that keeps you up at night. It happens to me too. I want you to visualize yourself with the potential to shed everything that has been holding you back. So just take a moment and think about that. Let it marinate. It's okay if while your eyes are closed, you begin to cry. And I share that with you because sometimes people think crying is a sign of weakness. And I beg to differ. Every time I cry, I'm shedding another layer of weight that is holding me down. We're wrapping up Mental Health Awareness Month as it relates to the calendar. But every day is mental health awareness. You have to be aware of those things that are triggering you. You are capable of so much more, but you have to believe it inside of your heart. Believing that you deserve the desires of your heart, happiness, success. In order to do that, you have to embrace a growth mindset. You have to cultivate resilience. And guess what? I challenge you today. Dare to dream big. Every setback is actually an opportunity for you to come back stronger. Keep pushing forward and don't lose sight of your dreams. Dreams do become reality. I'm a witness to dreaming and things happening. There have been so many things that I've seen myself doing in my dreams, and they have come to fruition. You have the power to create what you want. If you believe in yourself, if you take action, the world will open those doors for you. But you've got to put in the work. So now I know that that was probably more than what you were looking for. And I can see by some of the tears that are flowing from some of your eyes. So now, what I want you to do, because we cannot end this session sad, I want you to open your eyes, and I want volunteers to stand up, and I want you to just give us a snippet of where you were in your dream. And I know my time is up, but I felt like I needed to do this because I could tell that many of you are hurting. And so I'm going to ask you one question and one question only. Are you ready to grow with me?